Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create your bar or lounge pro forma financial projections, whether it be for your business plan or if you just want to have some kind of a financial model to use in operations. So in order to quickly and easily create your pro forma financial projections, I do offer a financial model that is customized to the bar and lounge industry for sale, and it's included in my bar and lounge business plan template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you all through with the Excel file, what it looks like, how to use it, and if you like it, I'll give you a link how to purchase it. So the way the video is going to play out is first I'm going to give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're going to walk through that Excel financial model, show you all how to customize it to get your pro forma financial projections, your next 12-month pro forma financial projections on a monthly basis, profit and loss, and then also your annual projections in your income statement for the next 5 years. All right, with that said, a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan, and I am a professional business writer as well as a professional finance modeler. So if y'all do need some help writing your business plan, or if y'all don't want to mess around with a template and you want your financial projections done for you professionally, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, be delighted to do it. Also, I am a professional author, have several books published on Amazon.com. If you want some books on business plan writing or better understanding financial models and financial projections, and you want to be able to explain them professionally and knowledgeably, check out some of my books on Amazon. And then finally, adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance, so I do know my stuff, academically speaking. All right, so with that said, here is the star of the show. This is my financial model that is customized for the bar and lounge industry. So when you do buy my my bar and lounge business plan template, it comes with a Word document. It also comes with an Excel file. In the Word document, that is the template to complete for your the writing describing your bar and lounge, and that's in a separate video. In this video, we're talking about the Excel file, and this is the financial model that is customized to the bar and lounge industry. All right, so the way the model is broken out to it, I do break it out into categories. This right here is your revenue generators. Here's your labor section. Here's your startup or expansion cost section. This is your monthly fixed cost section, your growth rate section here, and your loan information section here. Any changes to these darker colored cells right here and right here, right here, and right here. Any changes to these cells will automatically update your pro forma income, profit and loss statements for the next 12 months. The way it's broken out, here's month 1 to month 3, month 4 to 6, 7 to 9. And then if you slide this over a little bit further, here is your pro forma income statement for month 10 to 12. And then if you want it quarterly, I got that too. Pro forma income statement on a quarterly for the first year, quarter 1 through quarter 4 right here. So any information change on this page here will update your profit and loss statements. Also, it will update your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. So revenues here, 1 through 5, net profits here, 1 through 5. So now, in order to update that information, we need to change the darker color cells. So for the daily sales, the way it's broken out is I break it out per ticket per customer. So average customer, you're going to, for this example right here, we're saying that you're going to have about 85 customers per day. The average price per customer, so they're going to drop about $16 per person, and your variable costs are 25%. So if somebody spends $16 at your bar and lounge, then it's going to cost you $4 or 25%. So you would change any of these three numbers, and when you change these numbers, let's say we were going to change the number of customers to 90, our revenues and our net profits automatically update, and so does the net profits and the income statement. All right, so those are the numbers you're going to change for the revenues. Right here in this section, if you're going to be open 7 days, change that to 7. If you're going to be open 6 days, change that to 6. And then for this right here, I wouldn't change that. That's just going to change the financial model from monthly to weekly to daily, and you don't want to mess with that. So this right here is going to be operating days per week. If you're going to be open 7 days, put 7. If you're going to be open 6 days, put 6. The next is going to be your labor. Labor, your salary right here is going to be how much you want to pay yourself. You want to pay yourself $2,500 a month, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. You put it here. And then right here is going to be the average number of employees. If you're going to have 5 employees with an average pay of $10, you would put that information here. And this is the monthly hours. If they're going to be full-time, 172. If they're going to be part-time, however many hours they're going to be working monthly, you would put it here. Startup costs, this is going to be, just to help you break everything out. The first 2 lines is going to be how you are going to fund your operations, whether it be a startup or an expansion. Equity investment here, and then your loan amount here if you're going to have a loan. If you're not going to have a loan, put it 0. If you're going to have a loan, whatever it's going to be, put it there. These costs are just typical start costs for a bar and lounge. Feel free to change these titles here and also update the cost here. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. These titles cannot change, but this gives you the opportunity to put your fixed costs, whether it be rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting and legal, advertising, and then everything else would be in the other category. The next section is your taxes. If you're going to pay a tax rate of 20%, leave it alone. If it's going to be 25%, change it to 25. Whatever your tax rate is, just update it there. The next section is growth rates. Feel free to update the growth rates, whether it be for sales, cost of goods, salary, labor. This is just how much is going to grow on an annual basis. And then the final section is going to be your loan information. So whatever dollar amount you put here for a loan, let's say you were going to have a loan for $125,000, is going to automatically populate here. Then you can change your interest rate here and your term. Let's say we're going to have a 10-year loan or an 8-year loan. When you change the interest rate and the term here, it's going to automatically calculate your payment. So just real quick and simple, to the point, and change any of these darker color cells, the numbers, your profit and loss statements, as well as your income statements update for you. So it's short, quick, to the point, and it is customized for the bar and lounge industry. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap up this game real quick. All right, so in summary, when you're trying to do your profit and loss statement or your pro forma income statements for your bar and lounge, make sure to use a template. If you're going to try to recreate a profit and loss statement from scratch, you're going to be there for a while. If you use a customizable template, you can be literally done in just 10, 15, 20 minutes. Next, if you do want to go ahead and if you want a custom business plan written for you, or you want your pro forma financial projections done by myself, I'd love to help. Just go to my website, qualitybusinessplan.com, business plan prices, number 3. If you do want to go ahead and purchase my bar and lounge business plan template, it does come with a Microsoft Word document. Also, it comes with a financial model that I just showed you as an Excel file. All you have to do is go to qualitybusinessplan.com/bar and lounge business plan template. Keep in mind that it is in Microsoft Office, so it's a Word document, and it's also an Excel file. It's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple's products. So make sure if you get that template, you have access to Word and Excel. And then finally, if you do have questions about the business plan template, or you want to ask me about writing a custom business plan for you, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation with you. However, after you buy the business plan template, if you have any questions about it, I will refer you to my tutorials. So I do have business plan tutorials. It will help you fill out the Word document of the Bar and Lounge financial template. It will also help you with the Excel file. I do give you step-by-step instructions on how to complete and modify the Excel file in my tutorials. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, have a great day. Thank you.